On-screen text, iPhone not responding fast enough. VoiceOver, iPhone touch feeling a bit slow or unresponsive. Let's fix it in under a minute. VoiceOver, first, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. VoiceOver, scroll down, then tap Accessibility. VoiceOver, now choose Touch from the accessibility options. VoiceOver, here's where we make your screen more responsive. On-screen text, Step 1, 3D and haptic touch. VoiceOver, Step 1, adjust 3D and haptic touch sensitivity. VoiceOver, tap 3D and haptic touch. Set touch duration to fast for a snappier feel. VoiceOver, use the test area on this screen. If it still feels slow, lower the pressure sensitivity or keep it on light. On-screen text, optional. Touch accommodations. VoiceOver, want even more control? Go back, then open Touch Accommodations. VoiceOver, here, turn Touch Accommodations on, then lower the hold duration, so taps register faster. VoiceOver, test by tapping around your home screen. Your iPhone should now respond much quicker. On-screen text, done. VoiceOver, that's it. Your iPhone Touch is now more sensitive and easier to use. Like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.